1990 Buick Reatta convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, original California car, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles at a little over 71,000 on this particular car. As you can see, bright red saddle interior, also a saddle vinyl top that at the end of this video I'll put that up. We'll check out the condition of it. A couple things I want to show you on there. First of all, let's take a look at this front fascia. 3.8 liter, of course, underneath the hood of this one, paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC, although I did notice there is an AC service light on, so the AC will need a little attention. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, interior, undersides, check this car out. Over 100 pictures online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory Reatta wheels, Michelin radials. And as you can see, the paint shows well on this one. Granted, it's a 1990 with 70,000 miles on it. You're going to find a few imperfections here and there, but overall, paint does show well. So we take a look back to the front, down the passenger side. Leather interior, bucket seats, center console, that shifter down to the floor. Does have an aftermarket Pioneer radio that's been added to it. The original stock factory radio, if you will, is in a box in the trunk, as well as a car cover. What I would say is like a cockpit cover. The top's down, you want to cover the interior, and then a dash pad. Those will all be included with the purchase of this vehicle. The other thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the passenger side here also. And once again, those still pictures, over 100 pictures online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. This is a painted pinstripe, FYI. A little bit faded kind of on the lower side in areas, but I believe that would have been factory. All right. Of course, a manual top on these works similar to like the C4 Corvettes. You release this tonneau cover here, flips up, you manually fold up the top. One person can do it in a matter of a minute or so. And again, I'm going to put that top up at the end so we can check it out. Power windows, power locks, power seat over here on the driver's side, as well as the passenger. Power mirror, also power recliner, lumbar, and your thigh support. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out that 90s digital dash. All right, so there's your exact miles, 71,990. You can see all the gauges working. That was a cold start, FYI, so I don't expect anything there. And I mentioned an AC light earlier. When I tried the AC, there will be an AC light that pops up down there as far as service. Pioneer radio does work. You can hear. Dash in nice shape. Tell this car was stored indoors, and when we pop the hood, I'll show you the engine compartment. Nice and clean and tidy underneath there also. Appears to be a well taken care of car. All right, slip around to the back so you can hear it run. I guess what you'd expect out of a 3.8 liter from Buick in the 90s. All right, hood release is under the dash, kind of back a little ways. So I'm going to pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay. All right, hood popped. Hood struts work fine. Take a look at that hood liner, nice and clean. Doesn't appear that this car has been driven in any sort of inclement weather. And there's that engine bay. Fuel injected 3800. And power steering, power brakes. AC components all appear to be here, but as I mentioned earlier, we'll need a little attention. Smooth running V6. tried and true power plant from General Motors. All right, tell you what, I'm going to hold this top up, latched up, so we can see it in the up position. Check out the condition. And remember, you can check it out in the still picture.
Here we have a 1990 Buick Reatta. We're going to go for a drive. This one has a Pioneer aftermarket stereo. Which works. We got a digital dash, which is pretty cool. Windshield wipers work. Both our indicators work for turn signals. Blower fan works. Seems to go straight down the highway. No pulling. Brakes work well. We're at 60 miles an hour. Slight wind noise from the convertible. This is a convertible top. Temperature, volts, oil, fuel are all reading normal on the digital gauges. No vibrations or shaking. This starts up really good, runs really good.
And here it is with the top up. So camel colored vinyl top. Nice fit up above the windshield. Few little wear spots on here. Small one here. Come around by the back window. Little spot there, and it is a glass window in the rear. Now, of course, it does show a little bit of wear. You gotta remember, this is a 1990. Appears to be the original top to me. One little spot that kind of maybe just fixed a little bit. It's gonna serve the purpose. You need it to keep you out of the rain. Face it, how many times are you gonna have the top up on this thing? Probably if just it's a quick emergency to get out of the rain or what have you, and it's gonna serve that purpose just fine. But I wanted to show you, there are a few wear spots on there, but not a bad looking top at all. Again, considering year, 1990 Buick Reatta convertible. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics, give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call us.